Hello guys, welcome to our channel of construction techniques and architecture. This is my first YouTube video and we will be introducing you to the architectural world. As I have seen, students of architecture college are truly very creative in their designs, and for these designs to stand requires a solid base of structural knowledge. What? Understanding structural systems? Yes guys, we will be doing case studies of different structures that completely focuses upon their modern built and to be built structures, their structural systems, material specifications and assembly of it. Though before knowing these things, it is important to know the reasons behind building it and understanding of the structures and forms that are used. So guys, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you want to see more updates, click on the bell icon. India is the country with different cultures and religions, though there is something that combines everyone, and in sports it is cricket, one of the most favorite and most watched game here. Yet, India has world's second largest stadium, named the Gujrat Stadium, formerly known as the Motera Stadium, which was then renamed in tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Stadium in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. It is the largest cricket stadium in the world and the second largest stadium overall, with a seating capacity of 110,000 spectators. It is owned by Gujrat Cricket Association and is venue for Test, ODI and T20 cricket matches. In 1982, the government of Gujarat donated 100 acres of the stretch of land on the bank of the Sabarmati river to build a new stadium. The construction of the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Stadium was completed in 9 months. Since then, all international cricket fixtures of the city are hosted here. In 2006, the stadium was renovated to add 3 new pitches and a new outfield. Floodlights and covered stands were introduced in the stadium as a part of the renovation program. In October 2015, the stadium was demolished for reconstruction. The total cost of construction was estimated to be 700 crores. However, the final cost was reported 800 crores. The redevelopment, originally planned to be completed in 2019, finished in February 2020. The designs, models and technical details of their concepts and designs were presented by different firms. Because of the sheer complexity of the project, multiple parameters like efficiency, resources, time frame of completion, ease of implementation were evaluated. Based on this, Larsen Turbo was finalized as the principal contractor to build and design the stadium, which is also responsible for the design and construction and maintenance of the world's tallest statue, named Statue of Unity in Gujarat, India, which is 182 meters high. The redesign of the stadium occupies 63 acres of the land with 3 entry points compared to 1 in the old stadium, with the metro line at one of the entry points. It contains 76 corporate boxes. It can hold 25 persons each, a 55-room clubhouse, an Olympic-sized swimming pool and 4 dressing rooms. A unique feature of the stadium is that LED lights on the roof instead of usual floodlights at cricket grounds. The LED floodlights are installed on an antibacterial fireproof canopy with PTFE membrane, that is polytetrafluoroethylene membrane, that covers 30 out of 55 meters width of sitting area. Populous, which is world's largest architecture firm, was working on the project, offered the master plan, architecture and interior design services for the project on areas such as concession counters, main stadium kitchens, player kitchens, VIP boxes, corporate boxes, press and media boxes, pantries, Gujrat Cricket Association club and related areas. A solar power plant is also being constructed in the stadium premises in order to utilize sustainable power. Luby Solar, a division of Luby Electronics, will be responsible for the solar power plant. Walter P. More is an international company of engineers and innovators and creative people who solve some of the world's most complex structures and infrastructural challenges, providing structural diagnostics, civil, traffic, parking, transportation, enclosure and construction engineering services. They design solutions that are cost effective and resource efficient, forward thinking and help support shape communities worldwide. Walter P. More said in a statement, Motera Stadium responds to the vision of Shri Narendra Modi, the Honorable Prime Minister of India, doubling the capacity of the previous venue despite its size The stadium was constructed in 3 years. The roof was done by the company Walter P. More, taking into consideration the fact that the city of Ahmedabad is located in the level 3 seismic zone. The roof was typically designed to be lightweight and seismically separate from the bowl to ensure the safety of the event of a potential earthquake. The roof was supported by lightweight and flexible tension and compression system, which was supplied by the process of connection and erection. It comprises of circumferential tension rings and outer compression rings floating between the concrete seating bowl and the roof. The ring has Teflon-coated woven fiber glass called polytetrafluoroethylene (PTFE) between them and are held by radial cable spokes for the movement in case of seismic event and supported by steel V-shaped columns. These columns resist gravity and lateral loads resulting from high wind and earthquake. A wind tunnel test was also being performed to optimize the design. P.K. Das and Associates provided architectural services while STUP consultant served as the project management consultant. Brillmax supplied trapdoors for rooms and offices, and BSA engineers and design consultants undertook the detailing and design of the stadium's form. The structure eliminates the need of the pillars and gives the spectators an unobstructed view of the entire field from any place in the stadium. The layout of the stadium includes 2-tier seating arrangements, with each tier offering a general admission seating capacity of approximately 50,000. The stadium features a single Parton concourse that offers 360-degree view of the cricket field. The seating bowl directs the spectators to occupy the seats in the lower level for smaller events, ensuring the stadium retains the spectators' atmosphere even when the seating bowl is not fully occupied. Outside the main ground, the stadium is able to accommodate several other features, including Olympic-sized swimming pool, an indoor cricket academy, badminton and tennis courts, squash arena, a table tennis area, a 3D projector theatre, and a clubhouse, and these 3 practice grounds and 50 rooms. The parking lot that accommodates 3,000 cars and 10,000 two-wheelers. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Stadium has a huge ramp designed to facilitate the movement of 60,000 people simultaneously. The cricket field is covered with an Australian grass in an oval shape. The waterfront promenade in the front side of the side offers a view of the river. The design integrated an existing temple complex at the site into the plan, with the large gateway to the waterfront promenade. Being born in India, I am a huge fan of cricket. For our firm to have been part of the design team bringing innovation to an iconic venue such as Motera is a deep honor and privilege. May every fan that visits the venue experience the passion that we have had when designing with this outstanding project, adds President and CEO Philip Chaudhary. So guys, now we will study about the detailing of the bay. The bay consists of 2 parts, lower bowl element and upper bowl element. We will first study about the lower bowl element. The lower bowl element consists of a racker unit, that is the sitting unit, which is supported by a lower circumferential beam, which is then supported by a lower radial beam, which is further supported by lower bowl columns. The lower bowl elements are connected to the upper bowl elements with an access route, that is vomitory staircase. The upper bowl consists of bleacher, which is the sitting unit of the upper bowl, which is then supported by circumferential beam. And this circumferential beam is supported by secondary radial beam and further supported by primary radial beam. The primary radial beams are supported by HY column and GY column. The HY column consists of staircase known as HY staircase. If our video was useful to you, please click on the like button.